But so when I'm now, okay, go back to my one to take another person from there. Now we ourselves in all the security forces, we our people. I'm sure it's our people. Organizations are not given fair chances and fair opportunities. But teacher, I move along in class. Ukashwa teacher, over 2023 Arafat. Over 2023 was speaker said. One of my groups, but for information, these people have groups. They talk. No one chair or a sample. So let's see how it's like a teacher in the Baboban. See, some of the systems that they will have been, what's their control? It's not about controls, it's about a person boosting. If you don't do this for me, I will not give you this. This is how the situation it is. And if they live without Kubera, we are going nowhere. See, breed up and not graduates at Tikeben. Because they are seated at home, there is absolutely no hope. If you have a master's degree, you say family number just because food is slow. You say the family, food is slow. And there is absolutely no hope. Just because I got to move like the system. And their hope now lies with the Prime Minister. As a man at the helm. May the Prime Minister do them a favor. Who are Kasha, who chair and who eat? Akasha Emma Swati, Potisha Kasha Jagar, Kasha, Niabeli Sabashoni. Niatela Bashoja, Situme, Umshoja, I send them 7 low, Utasa 6 months. They say no 6 months, we have worked Bashoni. Very never could my Umshoja my one, Nebashosha, Nipkanzil. Lama pande Who is Bashoni? Who is Bashoni? Shalamaka acting me the bookcase. Who tell us seven graduate actually like that. Now very post the code card le grade 7. We are super graduate. I apply on the masters. Now apply the graduate every set crashing. But since I back to my social job, I'm the one social goes until you Stabatela Zobeni Bashoni. You men that when the thing with straight in the Trans Parliament Cabinet, I bet the thing with the straight. It was not a car, like a shake. I was just 10,000 ago.